everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Canada Revenue Agency from your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First of all, open up a web browser on your mobile device. Now, in the URL box, type in canada.ca and search. Once you end up in this page, select your language from the option and you'll end up in this official page. Tap the sign in button at the top right hand corner and now scroll down and tap on CRA My Account option. On the next page, select this option where it says CRA Sign in order to log into your existing account. Remember that if you don't have an account yet, you can register first by tapping on the CRA register link, and once you are logged in, you can easily enter your credentials and get access to your account. On the next page, you'll end up in the sign in area. Go ahead and enter your user ID associated with your CRA account, and if you don't remember your user ID, you can get help by tapping on the Forgot Your User ID link. On the next field, simply enter your password associated with your account, and also if you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Your Password link in order to get access to your password back again. After you are done filling in your user ID and your password, tap on the Sign In button and you'll be able to log into your Canada Revenue Agency account. CRA or Canada Revenue Agency is a revenue service of Canadian federal government. It is responsible for collecting taxes, delivering benefits program and tax credits, administering tax laws and policy. That is how you can easily log into your Canada Revenue Agency account right from your mobile devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.